Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to add the emoji keyboard on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone that runs on at least iOS 16 and you discover that the emoji keyboard is missing and you want to add the emoji keyboard to your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to add the emoji keyboard on your iPhone keyboard is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings page, go ahead and click on General. Scroll down the General page and then locate Keyboard. Then locate Keyboards under Keyboards and click on that. Once you selected Keyboards, then go ahead and click on Add New Keyboard. Now, locate and select emojis, or better still, search for emojis. Then you should see emojis under other iPhone keyboards. Click on that. Then once you have the emoji added here, hit the back button. Then you should have two keyboards now available here. Now if you go back and open any messages app on your iPhone, then you should see the emoji keyboard added to the bottom left. If you click on it once, then that should display all your emojis on your iPhone. You see that? So that is basically how to add the emoji keyboards on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.